Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming software and physical readiness. Check Mac OS version and backup quickly. Once done, inspect the volume key for dust or gunk and blow compressed air at a 45 degrees angle. Make sure to test volume control from Control Center and from System Preferences sound to see if it's a hardware key issue or a software one. If the key still doesn't respond, proceed to the reset steps. This separates keyboard faults from system glitches. Now you perform resets and diagnostics. First, reset NVRAM by shutting down and holding Option, Command, P and R for about 20 seconds. This restores audio mappings. Next, reset the SMC on Intel models, or note that M1 uses automatic low-level resets. Following these restores power management behavior. Boot into safe mode and create a new user to test the key. If it works there, a third-party app or login item is the culprit. If not, move to hardware troubleshooting. Finish with hardware fixes and a fallback. You can gently remove and clean the keycap or replace the key mechanism if comfortable. This clears buried debris or sticky switches. As a practical workaround, use an external keyboard or remap volume controls in System Preferences keyboard until a repair is arranged. If the problem persists after resets and cleaning, make sure to contact Apple or an authorized service provider, because persistent failure often indicates a faulty keyboard or trace on the log.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.